Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can get the reply option on Instagram. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead to Instagram, and we're just going to select the messages on the top right of your screen. Select on messages, and we're just going to click on a random text, and you can hold on a text, and when you hold on a text you get a bunch of reactions. You can react to a text, you can reply, report, or more. Now on more you could just forward or copy. So as you can see, in my Instagram I have the reply option, and that is because I have updated my Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to update your Instagram all the way to the latest version. So we are just going to go ahead to the App Store, and we're going to find Instagram and click on update. If you find yours says open, it means that your Instagram has been updated to the latest version. So if that does not work, the next thing you want to do is go ahead to your Instagram, click on the top right, click on the profile, then click on the top of your screen, and on the bottom of these options you should see the option saying update messaging. If you don't see update messaging, then you have to go ahead and try another option. But if you click on the update messaging, then your app will work. So the third thing you could do is go ahead back and click on settings, and what we're going to do is click on get help. Click on help, and after you click help we're going to click on report problem. And what you can do is report a problem to Instagram, and they will fix the Instagram on your phone, and you should be able to reply and get the reply option. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.